Here is a list of some of the most common civil liberties and constitutional rights that are often violated by public safety officers and other administrative agencies. Unlawful search and seizure. Violations of the Fourth Amendment, such as conducting searches or seizures without a warrant, probable cause, or the individual's consent. Excessive use of force. Violations of the Eighth Amendment, including the use of excessive or unnecessary force during arrests or interactions with the public. Racial profiling. Discriminatory practices that violate the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, where individuals are targeted based on race, ethnicity, or nationality. Denial of due process. Violations of the 5th and 14th Amendments, such as denying individuals fair legal procedures or access to legal representation. Retaliation for exercising free speech. Violations of the First Amendment, where individuals face retaliation or punishment for expressing their views or protesting. Unlawful detention and arrest. Violations of the 4th and 14th Amendments, including detaining or arresting individuals without proper legal justification. Invasion of privacy. Violations of the right to privacy under the Fourth Amendment, such as unauthorized surveillance or accessing private information without consent. Violation of the right to counsel. Denying access to legal representation during interrogations or court proceedings, in violation of the Sixth Amendment. Discrimination in public services. Violations of civil rights laws and the 14th Amendment, where individuals are denied equal access to public services based on race, gender, religion, or other protected characteristics. Suppression of free speech and assembly. Violations of the First Amendment, including restrictions on peaceful protests, demonstrations, or the right to assemble. Unlawful confiscation of property. Violations of the Fifth Amendment, including taking private property without just compensation or due process. These violations can have significant consequences, undermining trust in public institutions and harming the individuals affected. Through the Civil Liberties Enforcement Patrol, the veteran, and the Civil Liberties Enforcement Committees, the community members can address and prevent these violations.